step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, step. Ready, go. Rock, step, ladies go out. Rock, step, ladies come in. Barrel roll. Rock, step, barrel roll. Rock, step, tranca. Rock, step, hombre. Move it, guys. Rock, step, move it. Rock, step, ladies, move it. Rock, step, finish. Now we're going to do the tuck turn to the hammerlock. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, half time, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, walk back, 5, 6, that's 7, land 8, 1, 2, bring her to a fold, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Okay, 1, 2, ladies go, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Underneath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Left side tuck. 1, 2, ball change, step, triple step. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back up, guys. Go, ladies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Na 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 na. Okay? And that's where we at, which is pretty good. Okay, so this is part 2 of the Havana routine. This is April the 15th, 2 days before tax days. Hopefully you got your taxes going, and here's part 2. So here we go. Guys, girls, turn, guys, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, yo-yo. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, neck loop. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, pick up whip. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, tap, step. 1, 2, 3, 4, tap, step, step, neck loop. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. Now the pivot. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There you got it. Okay, so we got to this point, and then we're going to do con los manos. Ready, and quick, quick, slow, quick, 3 sets of tranca hombres, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, luego moving them, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, rotate, guys, and quick, quick, stop. Now we're going to do a whip with an outside turn. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, keep turning right, guys, 7, and 8. 4 sets of 6s, a pass, tuck, pass, tuck. So here we go, ready, pass. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and tuck. 1, 2, ball change, step, and a pass. 1, 2, 3, and 4, now the tuck. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now at this point we do a whip with an inside turn. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now whip with an outside turn. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then we do the ooh section. 8's to the inside, 8 to the outside. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's section 3 of our routine. Here we go for the finale. We're going to start with the Shukla Casate. Ready, and quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, let go. Quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, and quick, quick, slow. So now we'll do a cut-in whip to 6, but we're going to go all the way through to 14. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Stop there. Left side spin to the shoulder with the head loops, 12 counts. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6 loops, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, stop. Now we're just going to do a free spin into the sit dip ending. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, up 6 with the hand raise. And that's it. That's our finale for our routine. We're good.